John Wesson hot. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our channel. So good to have you guys here. Like me say, it's on hot today. Almost midday, and I am out here. I put in the work because I know if I don't work, I get paid. All right. So we're here today with the Toyota Crown. This is the 2015 model. It's also hybrid. And guys, I'm just going to give you, you have to get the walk around. You have to get the inside, the outside. You have to get what's under here. You have to get what's in the trunk. And today, this one has a sunroof. All right. So I'm going to show you guys all of that little details and, the little things that will probably make you well want to buy it. And speaking about buy, it's only going for $4.4 million. So 4,400,000. That's it. I remember, so when you come to Richards Motors, just tell them say a ChriSamz saying if you come buy the Crown here. Alright? So with all of that, let me just say, let's just jump right into the video. Give you from the logo to the seat, to the roof, to the radio. Me just show you. No worry yourself. Inside with it now. And remember, me tell you, me I give you every corner, every aspect of this vehicle we can possibly find. Zin? So, me not even turn on the car yet because I want you to see exactly what's going on once you push the button. And from it's a push button, say keyless, right? So, just watch this. Yeah, man, so we're going to turn on the car now, and we just want you to watch what happens with the steering. See that? Just listen to that sound. All right. Imagine just turning on a car and you don't even notice it on until the engine actually chip in. You can start with the electric motor from the hybrid power. All right. So as you can see, there is information for your mileage. You can see how the information is basically laid out there. It show you when it's in the charge zone, show you when you're in the eco zone, and also power. So so when you go power now, a straight gas you use. Right? Alright, so here what? Come back out, you have a steering. If you start with the door where you have your fully powered, all of the windows them automatic. One press. Alright. One pull up. And this is the same for all the windows in this car. And as you can see, you have your double screen. Alright. Guys, me not really understand them language here, but we figure it out. Alright. And then down this side now, you have your little controls where you can manage your AC. You have your traction. Alright. So you just press a thing them, and as you can see, it's dual AC, so your passenger can control the temperature on their side as well as on your side. If you don't want it to be that cold, you can control the thing over this side. Zin? Alright, I'm moving right along. Don't watch my foot, guys. Zin? I care me a show now. Alright, hold on. The AC blow too hard. Turn it off a bit. Yeah, man. So now we have a gear lever. Alright. Over this side, under here, you have a section where you can, put in a little CD. I don't even sure if you can watch DVD in here, but you don't need to watch the movie when you drive. Alright? So, with that said, you have a bit of storage there. And as I can see, you have your USB outlet so you can charge your phone. So just drop the phone on the charger in there, so, and just leave it till I come out. And I don't know everything. Just press on it, come back. See? So when you pull back now, we have your cup holders right here, and it's a double cup holder. As you can see, the key is being held there for a while. This is what the key looks like. And in the event that you're not carrying any cups or anything, you just close this back for a nice clean finish. What I really want to show you guys now is this armrest right here. We know it look regular, but this car is built with convenience in mind. All right. So you're the driver. If you need to take something out this compartment, you open it and you do your thing. So you have a sliding shelf inside, whole heap of space. You have your 12-watt outlet right there. All right. And say you have a passenger on that side and they want to access something. They want to access something from it. They flip it from their side there and they're good to go. All right. So heading back to our steering wheel, you will see that you have your volume control, you have your mode. You can mute the radio from your steering. You can change the track that you're listening to or the radio station. And over this side, you have a voice control. You answer your phone. You have your, over there, your control, so your wiper blade. On this side, you have your light system where you have an indicator. And you have some more controls over here for your mirror, as well as you can show what's going on your dashboard by just a press of a button. All right, so you can see that it's been giving you your mileage, showing you what's going on. All right, guys, so I'm just going to show you before you even get out. Right above here, you have your open for your sunroof right there. All right, you can just go right ahead and close it as soon as we are ready. Or if you just want to lift it a bit and not open it, you can go right ahead and do that. You turn on your lights. All right. Yes, guys, and this is a premium luxury vehicle. You have your mirror right there. Like I say, you can check out yourself. And as expected, it's on both sides. All right, the seat in this vehicle, it's premium material. As you can see, it looks great. And I guarantee that it feels great as well. On the dash here, you know, you have your soft leather. You have your premium finish, as well as you have your hard plastic at the top here. All right, guys, let's go right ahead and put this in reverse. All right, and as you can see, you have your reverse camera active right there. As you turn the steering, you realize the lines turn, so you have your park assist. All right. Yes, guys, so this is luxury, and you can drive in comfort. So let me just step out a bit. And you know, normally you have a little lever to access your trunk. Well, there's a button right there, and it's just on the door. Let me just pop that open for you. I will check that out in a bit. All right. You have your Crown logo right there. And as you can see around the back here, your passengers will be just as comfortable as you are. Looking very lovely. They have their AC vents right there. And on the center armrest, it's very soft as well as it's firm enough. And then you have your cup holders stored away right there. All right, guys. And guys, this car is still on. However, you're not hearing it because it's running now on the hybrid power. As you can see the blue in the logo there to show you that it's hybrid, and you know you have adequate trunk space to do what it is that you want to do. You're going on a trip, you have space for your luggage, and then under here, you know you'll find your battery because this won't be seen at the front of your vehicle. All right, so let's see what's powering this baby. And you know it's on its jack right there, so you don't have to worry about holding it. Once it's up, it's up. And you have your 2.5-liter engine there and your hybrid battery sitting right there. All right, guys, as you can see, it's nice and clean. So you can decide whether you want to go slow on your hybrid or if you want the full power from your gas engine right there. All right, guys. So like I mentioned before, it's keyless entry. So I'll just go right ahead now and close it. As you can see, your mirrors folding in right there. And if I should just put this key in my pocket, you can see I can just put my hands right there and it's open. Or I can go like this and it's closed. All right, so once the key is on your person, you have no reason to take it out. But just in case you missed it, open, closed. All right, so you can see your hybrid badge right there, and you're sitting on some low profile rims. Just give you a quick walk around of this vehicle. The passenger side comes with the same functionality on the door. And as you can see, your crown emblem right there. Focus. All right, guys, and we're on the passenger side, but as you can see, you also have your powered seats, not only for the driver, but also for the passenger as well. All right, and you have your glove compartment right here. And as you can see, the finish in this car is lovely. It's looking beautiful. It's built for comfort. All right. And just in case you don't want any light on the inside, you can close your sunroof right there totally to give it that clean finish. So all right, guys, we started in the sun and now we're basically ending in the rain. But I hope you guys found this video to be very informative. I hope you will love this Toyota Crown that we have right here, 2015. It's going for only $4.4 million. And don't forget to check out Richard Motors at 2 Municipal Boulevard in Portmore. And don't forget to tell them that ChriSamz sent you. So for now, guys, peace out, and remember to like, share, subscribe, leave us your comment. If there's a vehicle that you want to see, just leave it down in the comments and we'll be sure to get right back to you. So take care, guys, and peace out.